Hi YouTube, it's me, Angelica, and I have two amazing guests today. My first guest is my sister Honey. Hi! And I have my assistant, my mum.
Hello!
And today we're going to be doing a Facebook request from Tina. Thank you so much, Tina. We're going to be making a lemon drizzle cake. So, the ingredients you will need is lemon, 4 eggs. Go on and do the next one.
1 cup of sugar.
But what kind of sugar is it?
Oh, it's actually organic coconut sugar for an alternative.
And we are going to also need coconut oil.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
And we're also going to need our
half
almond
of
milk.
cup of almond milk for an alternative.
So what we're also going to be needing is a greased tin.
Yep. And
Which is greased with coconut oil. Yes, Mum?
Yeah, and what do you need to preheat the oven to?
We need to preheat the oven to 180. And we also need 2 mixing bowls. One for the dry ingredients.
1 for the wet.
Okay, and then we also need, I forgot what it's called,
An
Mum.
electric whisk.
Yeah, but
Thank you.
don't put it, if you do it like that and then put it in,
That's dangerous.
yeah, because
it
it's
will
going to
just
go
all
all
over.
over. And if you put everything in and then just do that, it will like go.
Slowly, basically.
Yeah. So what we first need is our 4 eggs with our dry bowl. So I'm just gonna.
Is that hard enough to break it on there?
No, can you have a go, Mum?
No,
please?
I'll get you a harder cup.
Okay, so while I'm going to get the cup, we're just
Break
gonna.
it on the edge of the
Okay, so we've got a tiny mini cup.
There you
Yeah,
go.
done that.
Don't get any shell in it, because you don't want this sloppy shell.
Okay, I haven't got any shell in that. That's good.
Good girl. I'll take the shell.
We won't give it a whisk just yet, no.
No, after we've done the first 2 ingredients. Oh, there we go. Don't know if that will come out.
Wait, do
Need
this.
some
Come
help?
out. Yes, please, Mummy.
Careful, because you'll get the shell in.
Good girl, Honey. Well done. Okay, we need 2 more eggs. Oh, wrong one. Oh, it's already started falling out.
Ah!
It's fine. There's no shell. Okay, we just need 1 last egg. Oh,
That's it.
good. Okay, we just need to crack
Wait.
that. Make sure there's no shell in this, guys, and make sure there's no shell. Okay, just caught the shell, didn't I? Okay, Mum, can you put that away? Oh, caught it! It fell in the bowl. We're just going to wash our hands because they're a little bit gloopy with all
That's
the
all right.
egg.
No, all you need to do is just give them a little wipe on there. That's fine. Okay.
So our next ingredient is going to be the
Coconut sugar for obviously the alternative.
and that's going to be 1 cup of that. But what we need to do first is we need to use another cup because this is the coconut oil in this cup. So we need to get this cup and we're going to make a whole cup of this. So are we going to pour? We're going to pour.
Right, honey, if you hold the cup over there,
Okay.
and then Angelica can pour it in, and then if it goes a little bit too much, that's fine.
Just a little bit too much over.
Keep going.
Little bit too much.
Okay, that'll do.
Okay, so that's a cup of
In
coconut
it
sugar.
goes.
And in that, guys, we're going to
Looks
now
like brown sugar.
do
Right, so the whisk needs to go in.
and then put it on.
Careful. There you go.
We're going to do this for 10 minutes. So we'll see you in 10 minutes, guys. Bye. Hi. So we've just been back from mixing this for 10 minutes. It is coconut, sugar, and the 4 eggs. So
And let's just show what it looks like now. So it's got lots and lots of bubbles in it.
tiny, weeny bubbles and big.
And so I was telling you why we needed to whisk it for 10 minutes. Do you want to tell everyone?
Yeah, the reason why we were mixing it for 10 minutes was because it will be light and fluffy when you actually have to finish cake, and
Putting air in it, isn't it?
yeah, and it will be like.
And what did we
just
add while we was
delicious.
whisking it?
We added half a cup of coconut oil.
Melted coconut oil. We
Yeah.
added it slowly, didn't we?
Yeah.
So what do we need to add to the wet ingredients now?
We need to add to the wet ingredients the lemon juice and the lemon zest of 2 lemons.
Yeah, and what else?
We also need to do the milk, which is actually half a cup. So I'm going to do this first.
So that's the lemon zest and lemon juice from 2 lemons.
Yep. So now that that's in, we're going to mix it with a wooden spoon. So while I'm mixing,
Honey, your other special guest has given up for the minute, I think.
Yeah. Oh, but she's back up. She's back up and
Right,
she's
we
alive.
need half a cup of almond milk.
Okay. So I'm going to pour in half the cup. This is a new bottle, so it's a bit hard to open. Got it. Open. Okay. This is almond milk, just in case you guys didn't hear me say at the beginning.
Just half a cup, that's it.
That's around about half a cup.
Yeah, that's
now
fine.
that it looks lovely and light and a light colour, we're going to mix this in. So now that it's lovely and bright, it's like a bright orange, we're going to pour it, or a bright brown, we're going to pour that in. Okay, now that that's in.
That's nice and light.
I know, it's a lovely colour, isn't it?
We're going to put the wet
It might be my
ingredients
favourite colour
over
now.
here.
Yeah, now we're going to get the dry ingredients ready.
Okay, what are the dry ingredients?
The dry ingredients are the spelt flour and the...
That one, we've done that one.
Oh yeah!
How much spelt flour do we need?
I think it was baking soda.
Yeah, we also need that.
You need for
2 cups.
2 cups of spelt flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. No, that's the flour.
Or baking soda, which is exactly the same thing. They do exactly the same.
Right, if you hold the cup.
Okay. Honey will hold the cup. Now
It'd be better if you swap over places. Oh, that's it. You're left-handed, so you come this side. And we put the spelt flour in.
So we're just gonna.
If we do that, there we go.
Can you help me, please, Mum?
It's 2 cups, so
Okay, that's 1 cup.
That's
So
1
pour
cup.
that in for me.
and the reason we're using spelt flour is because spelt flour is easier to digest.
And it's also quite healthy.
It's a healthy alternative to normal flour, but it does contain gluten if you are gluten intolerant.
So don't use this recipe, use one of my other recipes.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh, you know the other recipes? You can watch it as many times as you want.
You can.
As many times, because you can do them over and over again if you enjoy them, and I know you will. And every single one of you out there will enjoy all of my recipes because they're
But
delicious.
if you don't like them, you're probably a
That mix.
loser.
With the little spoon.
Oh, with the little spoon.
Yeah, that's fine, just as long as all the flour is all mixed in a shape.
Wait,
and
can I
now,
have a go?
Yeah, of course you can.
now we need to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
Okay, so we're going to put the wet ingredients
take that
inside
spoon
it.
out.
No, we're going to put
Yeah.
the dry ingredients inside the wet.
No, we're going to put the wet in there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Also at the beginning.
measure it slow. Mix it slowly as I pour it in. Not crazy mixing.
Just
Like I am crazy.
Yeah.
she is very crazy.
That's why I
guys.
had to warn you. Not crazy mixing.
Okay, so she's just
That's
mixing
it. Get
that.
it all in.
So while we're getting this all in, we're just gonna try and mix it as well.
And then give it a nice good stir so it's all combined.
So go on, honey, you start. You start us off because we know you have amazing mixing skills.
There you go.
Wonder where she gets that from. Hint, me. Okay, so I'm just mixing this now. Here we go. It's looking lovely. It's gonna be a big cake, guys. A big cake. Okay.
We
And
thought
I-
it was going to turn out as a small one.
No,
You
but it's
can-
massive.
Yeah, but you can do a little one.
This is this is if you want half the size and half the ingredients, right?
We actually might need to
Get another. Try it out.
get another baking tin out.
I'll go. I'll
we
go
do that
and
in a
get.
minute?
I'll
That's
go and get
okay.
one in a second.
You just
I'll
keep
start
mixing that.
mixing, and Mummy will go and get one.
No, and we just make sure that we're done here.
Okay, we just need to do the glaze as well, Mum, don't we?
Well, the glaze is for after once it comes out the oven.
So, guys,
do you want me to pour this into the
yes,
tray?
please.
You've got
So,
the baking tray.
Mum, can you let everybody know how long this goes in the oven for,
It's
please?
definitely going to need another tin.
Yeah, I'll go and get another tin. Can you let them know how long this goes in the oven for, please?
So it
I'll go
needs
and
to
get
be in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes on 180 And you'll know it's ready when you put a toothpick or a knife in and it comes out completely clean.
We're going to use a toothpick.
So let's put this one in.
So not even a dot of it. It's got to be completely clean.
Okay, can you get another tin for me out? Mummy, I can't find one.
Right, we'll get another tin, but are you going to start the glaze while I find the other
Yes.
tin?
Yeah, so Mum, what bowl should we start in? Should I go and get a bowl? Should we go and get a bowl, Mummy? Oh, here we go. So we've got a fabulous bowl, and all we need now is our fabulous mixture. So what we need for our glaze, I've got a piece of paper here to let me know, just in case I forget. So half a cup of coconut sugar. Okay, half a cup. So I've got a cup here.
And I'll get the coconut sugar.
Okay,
Shall
pour that
we
in.
swap out the jobs now?
Yeah, go on.
So if we put that over there,
Yeah,
tell me when to stop.
yeah. Stop.
Oh,
That's perfect. Thank you, honey. Okay, now that we've done that and that one's in, we are going to be getting juice from half of a lemon. So let me just get the lemon. Oh, where's the lemon gone? It's hiding from me. I found it. It's actually rolling with the bag. Mum, can you cut that in half for me and I will get the juice out, please?
so.
Have you actually checked to see how you make the glaze? And if you're putting things into the bowl in the right order?
Okay, so
Honey, I need that bowl.
oh, and have you let them all know how long it has to go in the oven for?
Yeah, 40 to 45 minutes. I've done that bit.
Okay, perfect,
So,
Mummy. Thank you. So, we're going to put the coconut
it's coconut sugar and lemon juice for the glaze, and it's just literally mix the ingredients together so that you get almost like a sauce. And then when that comes out the oven, you pour it over while it's still warm,
and it looks fabulous.
and it will stick to the cake.
Yeah. So, while that's why you need to do it while it's still warm, so it sticks.
Okay.
So we're pouring that in.
You're going to mix it and make it
Yeah.
into a nice glaze.
Okay. So I'm gonna mix this. So, Mum, have you got another cake tin out?
Yeah, I will deal with that in a minute. Let's just finish the video.
Okay.
Can you see what the glaze is looking
The
like?
glaze looks a lot like chocolate sauce.
Let's have a look. What is this actually going to be?
It's our glaze, honey.
What is it then?
It's to make it look sparkly and
It's
sticks
like a
to the
sauce
cake.
that goes over the top of the cake.
It makes it look fabulous as well.
So in 40 minutes time, when the cake's ready, we'll take it out the oven
And pour this over the top.
and we'll...
So 40 minutes after you've taken this out, the cake out of the oven, you pour this over the top and it sticks to the cake lovely. And I
then
mean
that's
lovely.
So basically it gets sparkly.
Yeah.
It will. We'll see it in 45 minutes. But that is how you make a healthy lemon drizzle cake.
And Tina, I cannot thank you enough for making sure that we do this because I can't wait to eat this. Thank you, Tina.
And do you, any ideas what you're going to make next?
Okay,
We've got a healthy chocolate brownie recipe.
yeah, so we're going to try and do our healthy brownie recipe next week, and we're going to try to do a video every single week. So, yeah. That's all we've got for this week. Go on, what are we going to say first of all?
Oh, I love chocolate. So are we going to put chocolate sauce in it?
No, not on the lemon drizzle cake.
No, she means on the brownies
On the
next
brownies.
week.
Yes. Well, we've already done a video for chocolate sauce, haven't we?
Yeah.
Let's just say goodbye now.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I can't wait for you to see our brownies next week. Bye!
Bye.